How to delete playlist on Spotify. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you would like to delete your playlist on Spotify, let's say you have created many playlists and you would like to delete it, it's very simple. Go and open the Spotify application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And then after you've done that, tap on the your library option, which is at the bottom right of the screen here, and here you can just tap on the playlist option to only view the playlist you've created. Now in my case I have a single playlist, so if I would like to delete this playlist, it's very simple. You can long press on the playlist here and then look for the option called delete playlist, and then confirm it by tapping the delete option. Now once you delete the playlist, if you think you want to get it back and restore the playlist, you can also do that, but for that I won't cover in this video because I've made already a dedicated video for that, so you can watch that video. Or you can just open that playlist here, tap the three dots option, and then now tap the option called delete playlist. Either way the process is pretty much the same. So this way you should be able to delete playlists on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.